New research from the Enterprise Strategy Group reveals that 93% of organizations identify investment in the edge as a growth area. As IT and application ecosystems become increasingly distributed, the edge often resides closest to both business operations and customer interaction. It's no wonder that 91% of organizations agree that analyzing data at the edge provides a competitive advantage. With nearly every facet of modern business already digitized, edge environments offer tremendous opportunities to improve operations, better engage with customers, and gather data that can fuel analytics and AI. To better understand the state of edge IT, Enterprise Strategy Group surveyed 374 IT, OT, and DevOps professionals responsible for purchasing IT infrastructure in their organization's edge environments. There were a number of key findings, but a few stood out. 76% of organizations agree that new projects at the edge are often delayed while new infrastructure is deployed. Edge initiatives can often be hindered by the limitations of legacy infrastructure, which can slow projects by weeks or even months, as 94% of new deployments can take a week or more on average. Some of the more common challenges with legacy edge infrastructure include a lack of cloud native tools to support application development and deployment, connectivity issues, security concerns, and ineffective observability and monitoring of both apps and infrastructure. Infrastructure modernization at the edge is key to staying on schedule. The challenges at the edge were far more prominent among DevOps personas than they were among IT or OT respondents, providing additional insight into the cost of legacy infrastructure. For example, when compared against IT and OT respondents, DevOps personas were 1.6 times as likely to identify a lack of cloud native tools and processes at the edge as a concern. 1.6 times as likely to highlight inadequate IT resources on site, and 2 times as likely to identify an inability to rapidly aggregate actionable information from the edge data sources. Businesses need to do more to include DevOps personas in their edge strategies. 82% of organizations agree that outages at the edge would result in negative revenue impacts. Edge operations are often vital to business success. Unfortunately, nearly two-thirds of respondents identify experiencing outages on at least a monthly basis. In addition to being common, outages are costly as well, with 45% of organizations indicating that the cost of an outage exceeds $10,000 per hour, and 21% identifying a cost of $50,000 or more per hour. In addition to edge infrastructure modernization, investments in better observability and resiliency should be prioritized. With edge locations already struggling from legacy infrastructure and new data-intensive initiatives such as AI on the near horizon, it is imperative that organizations prioritize edge investment. To maximize the value to the business, this investment strategy must cater to the needs of developers and DevOps, just as much as it caters to the needs of both IT and OT. The edge is a critical part of the digital enterprise.